guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this slick back, this sexy slick back. Alright, so if you want to see how I got this super easy, quick, in less than 30 minutes, keep watching. There's multiple ways I achieve it. Today I'm going to show you one of the many ways I do it, and you're in for something slick. So let me stop. Alright, so this is what we're working with right now. Alright, this is what we're working with. So I have my hair in these twists, and when you do a slick back, it's easier to do it on hair that's a little bit tamed. All right, so that could be with twists, that can be stretching it with braids, that could be a blowout. Wow, I've never done a slick back on blowout, but that's a video for another day because that would be fire. Okay, but anywho, I'm gonna start by taking out these twisties. Okay, hold up, we might have a whole twist out. We might have a whole chunky twist out here. No, I just did a chunky twist out video. I'll have it linked down below if you haven't seen it. All right, go check it out, support your girl. So what I'm gonna do is separate these chunky sections into smaller sections. So we're almost done separating here. We almost have everything. Okay, now we're done. Wait a second, girl, you giving me, what am I giving you? Because I don't know what I'm giving me. Giving me wild woman. Like, I don't know. But like, let me see. Oh snap, wait a second, y'all, with the side part. But the side part is another story, all right? With the side part, we might got something here. So back to the slick back. Now, I am gonna do my slick back. Okay, let's start from the beginning. All right? What will we need, okay? We're gonna need some elastics. Now these are for fine hair, and it's nothing fine about my hair. But I'm gonna be doing it in small sections. So these are gonna come in handy because all my big ones, all my thick big ones, I don't know, you know how they just run away. We're gonna need some water. This is just water. We're gonna need some gel. Today I'll be using Wetline Extreme Gel. We also gonna need some leave-in conditioner. This is the TGIN Green Tea Super Moist leave-in conditioner. All right, we got a brush. Oh, you know what? We need this brush, all right? This is the brush we need to slick it down. We need the bristle brush. Looks like we're gonna be using the brown scrunchie. The key to doing a slick back, if you have thick hair like myself, is you gotta work in small sections. So we're gonna start from the back. All right, so let me turn around and show you guys. I'm gonna mainly show you the front, but let me just show you how small of a section I'm working with. So this is the small section that we have right now. Honestly, I don't know why I got this really small section, because I don't need it this small, but the smaller the better, all right? I really just want to get my roots wet. I don't want to get the rest of my hair wet, because then I might have to like redefine all of my hair, and I didn't really want to do that. I kind of want to keep the frizziness and the puffiness and the definition that it already has, because that's less work. So I'm actually gonna spray, I should have mixed some leave-in in with this, but I'm just gonna spray some of this water on my hands, and then I'm gonna put that just on the roots of my hair. And oh my gosh, it's not spraying. Bruh, oh my gosh. Something told me I should have brought a spray bottle, and I didn't even do it. I completely forgot. And now, oh. All right, there we go. I'm just gonna like focus on my roots really. Just smoothing those down, smoothing that water down onto it. And then I'm gonna get my leave-in, put some leave-in in it, all right? Not much, just a little dollop, little drop. And we're gonna put that leave-in on there as well. And then we want to get a little bit of gel. It's kind of a lot, actually. Ooh, that might have been too much, but we're gonna go with it. And we're gonna put the gel on there. Still only focusing on the roots. And then get your brush and brush it. Brush it down. Now this part of my hair ain't gonna be showing, so I don't really need to brush it, but just to be consistent. And now I'm gonna take one of these and secure it. Oh Lord, these are so small. Look how small that is. I'm playing myself. I'm not gonna use this. Oh, I found 3 of my thick ones. So just smooth it. And boom, we're gonna repeat that. Look at this, scrunchie galore. All right, so because I have so many scrunchies, this is gonna be a section that I bring to the back, and this is gonna be a section that I bring to the back. So let's just start with this one over here. We're gonna get the water, getting a bit of leave-in, getting some gel, brushing it down. Now we're just gonna add this in to this ponytail. I'm just going to put it right over the section that's already there. So. We're already halfway there.
What do you say to that, Hydro Pants?
I say I'm already halfway there. Halfway there.
Now we're at the front, and the front is the part that's gonna be showing the most. The front is the star of the show. The front is where we really see who's the slickest of the slickest. Ooh, I gotta remember going to side part, so let me go ahead and get that right now. So another thing you'll need, rat tail comb, or just anything to part really. I like to part right where the arch of my eyebrow is. So right here. Oh my gosh, like, girl, get a trim. So this is what we're working with over here. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I need the baby's hairs to slay, and I need this little thing right here to be popping. So I am going to do the same thing I did to the other sections. Spray some water on my hand. This time I'm gonna go ahead and spray my baby hairs and this little part with some water. And I just wanna like brush my baby hairs forward because I don't wanna put them in the ponytail. And you see this little thing curling up right here? That's what we want to be out. So that looks good to me. Let's just give it a little twirly twirl. All right, people ask you how you get your hair curly, tell them water. So I'm gonna get a bit more water, smooth it down, get my leave-in. This is a small section, so you don't need much. Get a little bit of gel. And then you get your bristle brush and you brush it. Add it in with the rest. I have 1, 2, 3 parted sections off. So I'm gonna keep all of those sections parted because we want the top to be flat, and the more sections, the better. Y'all, I'm hyped for it. Okay. This section, all of this needs to be flat. So I'm gonna be doing stuff to this whole part, not just the roots. I might as well just spray the whole thing. Get the back side too. Girl, it's not too late to do a middle one, but it's the side part for me. And what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to guide the hair to where I'm going to pull it back into the ponytail and brush it that way. Just so it knows where it's going, so there's no confusion. Everybody knows where they're supposed to be. All right, last scrunchie and last section. It worked out perfectly. It was meant to be. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put the scrunchie that I want to be the star of the show right on top. Wow, looking great. Now we're gonna do our edges. So I'm gonna spray my brush with H2O. And then I'm using my Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Paste. I got this years ago and barely made a dent in it. That's not too shabby. Now you gotta lay it with a scarf. Now if you were gonna do anything to the back, now would be the time to do it. Mine's pretty frizzy on the top pieces, but honestly, I don't really care. Now we wait for it to set. Here is the moment of truth. All right, we're just gonna reveal what we're working with. Wow, oh my gosh, girl. All right guys, here is the final look. Here is my slick back ponytail. It's all looking very good, looking very good. Like I told y'all, my slick back is something serious, all right? Something serious, like let me stop. No, let me keep going. Let me gas myself up, let me continue. It's cute, it's sexy. This is such a great hairstyle. Like I don't do it much because it snatched my edges, you know, it'd be pulling on the hair. So I don't do it much, but when I do it, you can't tell me nothing. I'm serving it up for you, all right? So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have something to say, leave a comment down below. And if you want to see more from me, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.